just filmed this intro, and the first time I realized I wasn't recording. Alright, take 2. Hey guys, it's Reina, and back with another vlog since I'm actually doing something more exciting in my life than the normal. I'm actually road tripping to Florida. My fiance's parents are actually moving down there, so we're going to be driving there starting today, and then we're going to stop in Tennessee for the night and finish the drive tomorrow, I'm assuming. And then once we get there, we're going to be there for 2 more days. So it's kind of a short trip, but I always like to just get out of the state for a little while, no matter how long it is or how short it is. But yeah, we're going to be back on Sunday, and they're actually going to fly us back because we're obviously driving their cars there since they're moving down there, but we have to come back to where we live. So we're just going to fly, which is a huge relief because I do not like being in the car for so long. I think the longest that I've driven personally was 4 hours, and I was barely able to handle that. So it'll be good that we fly back home. But yeah, the drive is going to be really long. I live in Illinois, and Illinois to Florida is about 16 hours, or at least the place that we're going to in Florida. So it's going to be quite interesting how it goes. But I am not all the way ready. As you can see, my hair looks like crap. So I got to finish getting ready and finish packing. So I'll probably do that. We're not leaving for like another 2 to 3 hours. So whenever we leave, I'll just go ahead and update you guys.
I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you.
I'm back from the trip that I took. I didn't really vlog much just because it was a really short trip. It was about 4 days. We were gone from Thursday till Sunday, and today's Monday now. So I'm just gonna recap what we did because obviously I didn't get a lot of footage, but I didn't really want to just leave the footage I got just laying around or just delete them. So I'm still gonna put together the vlog. But basically we left on Thursday around 6 p.m. and we drove all the way through the rest of Illinois and then all the way through Kentucky and most of Tennessee, and we stopped there to rest for about 3 hours because by that time it was like 1 a.m. So we decided to crash at a rest stop for about 3-ish hours, and then we continued the drive. So then we went through the rest of Tennessee and then went through the whole state of Georgia. We stopped a few times, obviously, because we had animals with us and we had to eat or use the restroom or whatever the case was. But we got through the whole state of Georgia and finally into Florida. And we only stopped a few more times in Florida, and then we finally got to Orlando. So when we got there, it was about 5:30, almost 6 on Friday. And we got to their place, their apartment, and I did a little tour of it. It's really cute and modern. And then we unloaded the vehicles and got the dogs and cat inside, and then we showered, and we actually went to Disney Springs to go see a movie. We saw Brightburn, which it wasn't really that good, but it was something to do. We went to the dine-in theater there, and it was really fun. And then we went back home and just went to bed. And then Saturday was our full day of just doing whatever we wanted. So we decided to go to Typhoon Lagoon, and we stayed there for maybe 3, almost 4 hours, just swimming and doing all the fun stuff they have there. And then we went back to the apartment again to shower and get ready, because then we were gonna go to Dave & Buster's for dinner. So we went there to do dinner and play some games, and then we went back to the apartment again. And oh, I forgot, backtracking a little bit, after Typhoon Lagoon, we actually wanted to swim even more. So we went to the pool that is at their like apartment building. They have a really nice pool area. So we actually went there for a little bit to swim even more, and then we went to dinner. So, but yeah, after dinner, we went back to the apartment, obviously, and went to bed. And then Sunday, yesterday, was when we were supposed to leave, just Cody and I, because obviously his family lives there now, and we helped them move down there. So we had to come back to Illinois, but we were actually going to fly back, which is really relieving for me. I've never been in a car for that long, so it was pretty bad. But yeah, our flight was at 3:30, I think. So we went to the pool again yesterday morning for a little bit, from like 10:30 to almost noon, and just swam and laid out for a little bit. And then we ate lunch, got ready, and it was time to go to the airport. So we got to the airport and we said our goodbyes, and it was a little emotional, but yeah, we got back. Our flight was only about 2 hours, and we got back into Bloomington, and then from Bloomington, our hometown is about an hour away. So then we finally got home around 5:40, 6 o'clock. And yeah, so now I'm just home and back to my normal life. I do plan on doing an actual vlog when I go back down there, because I think we're actually going to go back for vacation in about a month, like the end of June. That's when my birthday is, and I think we'll actually go back to Disney World and all that. So hopefully I can get a better vlog out for that. That will probably be like a separate vlog each day, depending on how much footage I can get, because if we're gonna be down there for like 5 or 6 days, I would want to like cram all my clips together in one vlog. But yeah, we'll just see how it goes. But that was basically my mini trip to Orlando, helping my fiance move his family down there. So I'll see you guys in my next video.